to wrap up quickly this section, as I mentioned, note that some elements such as smart art also it is using shape style. If I make a smart art, okay, you see the format, although the name is not format shapes, but it is exactly same like the shapes. We have of course some additions, but as an example, I could select my shape and change shape and swap it with any other shapes we want. We have some parameters and we have again the alignment, text wrapping, position, alt text, rotation, and one thing it might be confusing. Note that we could have multiple group for nesting. I could group these together and I could add another shape and select this group with this shape and again group them together. And even I could group two groups together. Okay, now we have multiple groups. If I double click, I could modify them and click anywhere else to close it. But for ungrouping, I could right click and choose group and ungroup, or from ribbon, but you have to do one by one. Group, first one, you see still they have the group. Again, right click, group, ungroup. Again, we have some groups here. So you have to do multiple ungrouping if you have multiple group nested.